Hey, what's up Polygon holders? Welcome to a new brand video about Polygon over there. And this video we will talk about the price prediction of Polygon. We will share opinion and also what the expert says about Polygon. Can this is good for investment in those days or not? And 2021 my brothers, can they will give you a profit or not? But absolutely my friend, in the current time I will tell you clearly to they are completely going the loss now. But definitely after fails, everybody know this too, they will take a very huge jump now. Kindly before I get started the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright my brother, this time absolutely 0.94% my friend, they are lost now, and 0.94 USD dollar is the latest price. And definitely my friend, in last 24 hours they are lost, but definitely I hope my brother in upcoming time they will recover it, because this time you can see here after fails they will take a jump, and absolutely the current condition is very good, they will starting moving upward now. So I hope in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit, just in only my friend need your focus. If you are hold it, so I hope they will moving upward. But if you starting selling, so definitely they will lose now and they will completely go in the garbage. So please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.